Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing a fun video today. It is 2018 and I want to bring out some fun content for you guys. I want to bring more fun, colorful content. I want to show my personality more and be a little bit more out there. So yeah, without further ado, let's go ahead and talk about what we'll be doing in this video. Alright, so last year, 2017, was all about pretty much warm shades, warm palette this, warm palette that. So this year, I kind of want to see more cool tone palettes, more cool tone colors, more blues, more purples, more like pink looks, things like that. So that's what I'm going to be doing for you guys today. Kind of like a blue, kind of like cool tone blue themed look. I want my skin to be nice, dewy, glowy, really the eyes to be more blue, so that's what we're gonna go for today. Alright guys, so before we get into the video, if you haven't subscribed, definitely hit the subscribe button below, and also don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. So let's go ahead and get started with this look. Alright, so we're just gonna completely skip primer today. So the first step is going to be the MAC Strobe Cream. This is the color in Peach Light. I don't know if you guys can see that, but there it is right there, and I'm just going to plop this all over my face. So my plans for this year basically is, trying to get a little bit better at this YouTube thing, trying to upgrade my content, just basically trying to better YouTube, Instagram, basically the whole social media thing, just so I can get better, because I find it all really fun. Like, I know people can make like money off of it, or just do it just for like opportunities and things like that, but I just think social media in itself, it can be really nasty, and people just have to see the positive in it. I see the positive in it because we can touch so many people in the world with like the click of a button or just one post of a picture. So I definitely like that aspect about it, because you can make a lot of new friends, or just you can influence a lot of people. So that's why I kind of want to up my game on it, so I can influence people or just spread more positivity in social media. Alright, so now that we have like a nice glow from within, I am going to just do the whole setting your face before you put on foundation trick. I really like doing that trick, and I'm going to use it with the Patrick Star Set Powder. I'm just going to take that and just only put it on my under eye and basically my T-zone. So under the eyes, on the forehead, and the nose area, because I want those areas to stay slightly more matte, and I want them to look slightly more like smooth and flawless, and this powder is really good for making your skin look really smooth. Alright, so for foundation, I'm going to be using the L'Oreal Paris. This is the Infallible Pro Glow Foundation. And this foundation is really nice if you want a nice glow to your skin, a nice healthy glow, and it's actually a decent bit of coverage as well. I know a lot of people have talked about the Pro Matte Foundation. I haven't tried that one, but I decently like this foundation as well. Alright, so for concealer, you guys already know. If you are new here, it is the NARS Creamy Radiant Concealer. Favorite concealer of all time. Another good trick that I got from Miss Jackie Aina. Definitely recommend watching her if you haven't watched her already, or if you don't know who she is, which you should. So just gonna go ahead and blend it everywhere else out first, and just kind of let the under eyes sit for a second. So now that everything is concealed, going back into the Patrick's powder and taking my beauty blender just to set everywhere that I place the concealer. So now the face is done, I'm going to go ahead and do my brows off camera, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I am back. So I already have my brows done. What I did my brows with was the MAC Brow Sculpt in Spite. And I already have one eye done off of camera. So I'm gonna zoom you guys up in just a tiny bit closer so you can get a close look at this eyeshadow look. Okay, so now that I have you all zoomed in up close and personal, we're gonna take the MAC. This is the Chromographic Pencil in Marine Ultra. and we are going to be lining our lid. I don't get to use this a lot. Like, I have a lot of colorful items in my kit, but I never get to use them, so that's why one of the main reasons why I wanted to come out with this year with a lot more colorful looks, just because doing the same warm smoky brown eye is like super boring. So I just want to create some different things. Now we're just gonna add that color on our outer V area, and for me, a little bit above the crease here. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna just, after we place the color, we're just gonna smoke it out with a blending brush. So now it's gonna look something like this. And now we're gonna take a Wet n Wild blending brush and literally you're just going to blend that out. And then I'm also gonna take that pencil on the lower lash line as well. And to set that liner, I'm gonna go into the MAC Cosmetics blue eyeshadow called Fresh Water, and I'm just going to pack that, not pack it, but just set that with this color. Alright, so now we're going to go into the MAC Cosmetics eyeshadow in Deep Truth, and we're going to take a MAC 224 brush, and we are going to be sweeping this color into our outer V and our crease. And like I said, guys, we're doing things different this year, so we're taking a nice shimmery, well, it's not shimmery, but we're taking a kind of shimmer color and we're putting it into our creases this year. So we're gonna be putting shimmer in our crease this year, guys. Let's do something different. No more warm colors, no more, I mean, of course we need matte shadows, but just being more creative with eye looks. Like, I feel like we need a refresh on YouTube here, just the beauty community in general. We just need a refresh and restart. Alright, so now taking this next eyeshadow, this is Teal Appeal by MAC, and we are gonna go in with a Wet n Wild flat brush, and we're just going to pack this color all over the lid. Alright, so it's time for mascara now. So the mascara that I'll be using is the MAC Cosmetics Bad and Bold Lash. So this is it for the eyes. We're not gonna do any lashes today just because, hey, I don't have any lashes to put on for you guys. So we're gonna go ahead and go to the lips. For lips today, we're gonna put on two products. We're gonna put on the MAC Cosmetics Kabuki Magic Liquid Lipstick, and this is Modern Age. This is no longer sold, but you can probably find it on like Amazon, or I don't know if it's on the MAC Goodbye section, but if you can get your hands on this, this is definitely a good color, or something, you know, similar to this. It's like a nice like gray tone liquid lipstick. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply that. Alright, so now that that has dried down, we're gonna go over it with this lipstick. This is the MAC Cosmetics Metallic and Devotional, and we're just gonna go right over it. And this is just gonna add like a nice kind of like pinky with an iridescent kind of purpley blue shimmer to the look, just to kind of tie it into the eyes a little bit. Alright guys, so this is the completed look. So this was a really fun tutorial that I wanted to do for you guys. Like I said, I wanted to start this new year out with like nice bold looks, just things that people aren't really doing here on the YouTube, or I mean a lot of people are doing bold colorful looks on the gram, but not really on YouTube, at least that I know of. So if you know of any really great YouTubers or underrated YouTubers that are doing like nice fun looks like this, definitely leave their links, leave their name in the comments below so that other people can know who they are. And also, if you like this look, definitely subscribe to my channel and hit the thumbs up button. Also, don't forget to follow my other social media pages. That is all Diamante Duane, same way it's spelled here. And I also have a Twitter. Twitter is Diamante D Duane. Alright, so without rambling on any further, I'm gonna go ahead and run to my bathroom real quick, take this look off, and head to bed, and I will catch you guys later in another video. Bye.